In this video, I'm gonna show you step by step how I made $127,210 in commission just by promoting affiliate links on Pinterest. Okay, I'm gonna share with you guys which affiliate links I was promoting on Pinterest. For beginners, I'm gonna show you step by step how you can join Fiverr affiliate business and start making some money like this. And for people who are already watched my videos, I'm gonna share with you guys new profitable and trending affiliate link that you should start promoting on Pinterest from today if you want to earn commission. Okay, let's get started. So I will update this page so you guys can make sure it's not fake. As you can see, for people who are asking, update your page, and here you go, the numbers are still the same numbers. I started this business from December 2021 until today. I'm still promoting a lot of affiliate links and I'm still getting commission. As you can see, I will click over here and I will update again this page. So for people who will ask why it's showing $0 in your balance, because when you will withdraw your money it will show $0 in your balance. So right now at this moment that I'm recording this video, I don't have any commission yet, but the commission will be coming soon. Okay, because I'm still promoting affiliate links, I'm still getting so much traffic to my affiliate links, and I'm gonna share with you the method that I'm using. Okay, so for people who are new to this business and they want to start making some money with Fiverr affiliate, what you need to do first, you need to go to Google and you need to search for Fiverr. Okay, click on the first link, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr. Okay, so what you need to do next, you just need to come to this page and you need to scroll down. So just scroll down, go to community and click over here on affiliates. Okay, and it's gonna take you to this Fiverr affiliate website over here. As you can see, you can check this website so you can get idea about how much you will earn for each service you will promote with Fiverr affiliate. They have some new commission plan that it's really amazing. It's better than the old commission plan that I was using. Okay, this one is really good. So if you promote Fiverr affiliate link, if you, so for example, if one person buy a service from your affiliate link, you will earn 25% of this amount, the amount that this person will pay. Okay, and you will keep getting 10% revenue share for each future orders. Okay, so if this person will keep buying more services in the future for 12 months, you will keep getting 10% for each orders, and that's really amazing. Okay, so to join Fiverr affiliate, just click over here on become an affiliate and it's gonna take you to this sign up process page. As you can see, so just put your first name, your last name, your email address, username, your password and account type, make it private. Scroll down, do you have main source of traffic? You can say yes or no. Choose your country and choose your language over here, and if you have Skype, put your Skype here. If you don't have, that's fine, just click on next, answer next few questions, and that's it. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one. Okay, so you will have an account like this one with Fiverr affiliate. Okay, what you need to do next, you need to open business account with Pinterest. Okay, so we will use Pinterest to promote our Fiverr affiliate services on Pinterest. Okay, so why I choose Pinterest? If we click over here, let me show you, and as you can see, this is the monthly visitor that Pinterest has. It's 1 billion monthly visitors. Okay, 1 billion monthly visitors. So there is so much traffic that you can get from Pinterest. Okay, Pinterest is ranking 24 in United States, and in category rank it's number 9. Okay, Google it's the number 1. Okay, and as you can see, but Pinterest also has a lot of traffic, 1 billion monthly visitors. Okay, so anyway, so if you don't have an account on Pinterest yet, let me show you. Go to Google, click on the search for Pinterest like this, and click on the first link. Sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page, and you should have an account like this one with Pinterest. Okay, so what you need to do next, you will go to Google again and you will search for Pinterest trend. Okay, so I'm sure you are not using Pinterest trend to promote services and products, and it's very important. Okay, let me show you. Search for Pinterest trend, click on the first link, you will be directly in this page. So what you will do, you will choose the country that you want to target. So for me, for example, I want to target audience from United States. I'm gonna keep it like this. If you can choose any country, you can choose Canada. You don't need to work just in United States. Choose try Canada audience, try Italy audience, Spain, Germany, France, Mexico, and so on. Okay, so for me, I'm gonna just in this video I'm gonna use United States. Scroll down, and Pinterest will give you the top trends in United States this month. Okay, in the last 13 days, those are the trending products and services right now. Nails, Valentine's days. So let's check if we can find some good services. So let me see if I can find some trending. You have this one, so let me show you. You have also this one. You can promote wallpaper background services. Okay, so let me see if I can find a good one. Okay, you have quote. You can also promote quote services. There are a lot of sellers who are providing this service on Fiverr. You have over here home. I'm gonna click on this home. Let me see this service. I will click here and I will select just past 3 months, and I will scroll down. I have this one, entire design. So let me check this one. Gonna delete home. So let me see, and as you can see, this one is trending right now. Okay, entire design for it's home design. See, okay, it's related to home design. Okay, in United States. So this one is trending, as you can see. So what I will do, I will copy those keywords. So I will copy those like this. I will go back to my home page, go back to Fiverr home page, click on the search for those keywords. Okay, so you have entire design living room. Okay, let's check this one. It's related to home design. Scroll down and you have those. You will find a lot of sellers who are providing this service on Fiverr. Okay, so I want you to pay attention in this step. Okay, so always make sure to choose good sellers. Choose like level 1 seller, level 2 seller, sellers who has a lot of reviews. If people click on your affiliate link and they find those sellers are good sellers, they will buy this service from your affiliate link. Okay, so I'm gonna choose. So let me see if we can find some good sellers. So this one is, this one for example, looking good. This one top rated seller. Okay, I will click on this one. So just click on his service and you will be directly in his Fiverr profile page like this. Okay, so what you need to do next, you need to copy his profile link. Okay, so just copy his profile link and go back to your Fiverr affiliate account, click on marketing tools, click on default and deep links. It's gonna take you to this page. Click here and put this seller profile link here like that. Click over here again and here you go. You just created your first Fiverr affiliate link. Okay, so what you need to do next, you need to promote this affiliate link on Pinterest. So let's go back to Pinterest, go back to your Pinterest homepage, click on home feed, click on create pin. It's gonna take you to this page. You need to upload the picture about this service. Go back to this profile seller page on Fiverr, click on his picture and upload this picture to your laptop. Okay, double click and save image. Okay, I'm gonna save this one save. I will go back to Pinterest, I will click here, and I will upload this picture about home design. And here you go, your picture will be uploaded like this. Scroll down, you need to put here a title. Go back to this seller page on Fiverr, copy his title. I'm gonna copy his title, go back to Pinterest, put this title over here like this, and you need to put description. So let's go back to this profile page and scroll down, and you should see over here about this gig. So this is his description. I will copy this part to show you. I will go to Pinterest and I will put this part here like this. I will scroll down, you need to put here your affiliate link. I will go back to my Fiverr affiliate account, I will copy my affiliate link from here, and I will go back to Pinterest. I will put this affiliate link here like this. Scroll down, you need to choose a board, click over here. So just click on choose a board like this. Okay, so let me see. Okay, click over here and click on create a board. If you have a new Pinterest account, click on create a board, and you just need to give it a name, and that's it. You can create as many as you want, so I will choose this one. I already have a lot. I'm gonna choose Pinterest. Scroll down, you need to put here the keyword tags. So how we can find tags, go back to this profile seller page on Fiverr, keep scrolling down. So just keep scrolling down, and you should see over here related tags. Okay, so copy those keywords, copy this one like this, go back to Pinterest, put those keywords here, go back to this profile page, copy this keyword, and make sure to use as many keywords as you can. Okay, so people will find your pin. Your pin will be rank in the search result of Pinterest. Okay, so for people who are searching for this service. Okay, after you finish, click on publish, and here you go, your service will be published as an affiliate link on Pinterest like this. This is your picture, this is your affiliate link, this is your affiliate link, this is your title, and this is your description. Okay, and we are promoting this service that it's trending. Okay, you cannot promote any services, you need to choose specific and trending services if you want to earn commission. If you have new Pinterest account, make sure to promote just one affiliate link per day, one between 1 and 2. Okay, because a lot of people are saying that they will get banned if they promote affiliate links on Pinterest. I'm promoting affiliate links on Pinterest for almost like 5 years. Okay, and I didn't get banned. Okay, you just need to, I have all the Pinterest accounts, so the Pinterest might change the rules, and they are making a lot of new updates. But make sure just to, if you have new Pinterest account, make sure to promote just one and 2 per day affiliate links. Okay, thank you so much for watching, guys. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comments and I will answer all your questions. If you want me to share more profitable services like this, let me know in the comment. Like this video and see you in my next video.